Hi there, is Ms. Barker here. So this video is going to get you started on finishing up your sentences for your compare and contrast paragraph that you're going to write. So you need to have this paper and you need to go to Google Classroom. So go ahead and if you haven't already done so, go to Google Classroom and find Venn diagram. This is probably one assignment under this video, okay? All right, so now that you have, if you need to pause to open up Venn diagram, you can. So make sure you open that up. And you're going to need to refer to this for our writing today, okay? And remember, we have the first page is in just English, and the second one, if you still need to know what these mean, you can look at it in Spanish. All right, so I'm going to switch to the camera. And yesterday in class, for those of you in case you were absent, we folded our paper into 4 different squares. And on the sides, we labeled what kind of sentence. So we're going to start, our first sentence is the topic sentence or thesis. The next sentence is compare sentence, where we say something that's the same. The next sentence will be the first contrast sentence. And then our last sentence is going to be contrast sentence number 2. So our topic sentence, which I already gave you, and if you need to copy, just pause. Bionic technology can heal and enhance students. So if you need to copy our topic sentence, do so right now and pause. So then our next sentence is a compare sentence. So we're going to start it out with, both are alike because they. Then what you're going to want to do is go to your Venn diagram, and we're picking out how they're the same. Well, remember, the ones in the middle, where when their circles go together, are the same, okay? So take these 2 things here, can be implanted into humans and use technology, and write your sentence here. So both are alike because they, and then write down one reason, write one reason, and then once you're done writing the first reason, put and, then write the second reason and put a period at the end. So first reason, second reason. And where are you getting these reasons from? Here. So you can say them in any order. You could say both are alike because they can be implanted into humans and use technology, or you can do it the other way. So now that you have something written here, 2 different reasons or 2 different ways that bionic technology is alike, now we're going to move on to our contrast sentences, okay? So since we said heal first, we need to talk about heals in this sentence. And then since we said enhance second, our last sentence should be about enhance. All right, so let me scoot down here. All right, so how are they different? Okay, so we'll start with the difference. The difference is bionic technology that, like I said, we're going to do heals because we said heals first. That makes more sense. It's logical. That heals is, and we're going to find 2 different things to talk about. So what you can do is, we'll actually pause and copy. So pause and copy this. Okay, so now that you're back, you're going to look under heals, and you're going to choose 2 different things, like They can help people use limbs that are injured or missing. They are necessary. They can help with brain diseases and disorders, can help people hear. So choose two that you want to say, that you want to talk about. So the difference is bionic technology that heals is, so say your first thing, then you're going to say and then say your second thing you want to say. Okay, so you might say the difference in bionic technology that heals is it's necessary and it can help with brain diseases and disorders. Or you could say something completely different, like the difference is bionic technology that heals can, I don't always have to put is here, can help people hear and is necessary, however you want to do it, okay? All right, so there's that. Okay, so now we're going to do our second contrast sentence. And again, take a minute, write in the two things you want to say. All right, so now the second contrast sentence. So what you'll want to do for that is, I'll get you started. So this time we're going to write about how they enhance humans. So we'll start with but, because that's a contrary. It changes what we're talking about. But, B-U-T, not the other one, but bionic technology that enhances is, so take a second, pause, and copy this down. But bionic technology that enhances is, you might need to have is, you may not. Actually, let's erase that. And that enhances. Okay, so now that we're back, all right, you're going to go to your Venn diagram and you're going to pick out one reason. So you might say it is expensive. I'm going to add is so it makes more sense. Or is not necessary. It makes monkeys smarter. It improves memory. Can help people work faster. Can help people run faster. Okay, so you're going to choose two again, just like you did before, choose two. All right, so you might say, but bionic technology that enhances is not necessary and can make people run faster. So you're going to give, like you did before, find two different reasons. So give one reason, your first one, and then your second one. So choose two. All right. So, but bionic technology that enhances does blank and blank. Okay. All right. So once you have all this done and you have 4 sentences and you've given your reasons, just wait until it's your turn to go. While you wait, if you want to do choice activities, you can do that. Okay? All right. And I look forward to seeing those paragraphs and working with you in small groups.